Wagwan people, so do you get excited about going back to school? You have your brand new backpack, binders, and it's the time where you start loading up on power bars. Boom! Don't judge me. But for most people, the thought of going back to school is like the thought of being stuck in a room listening to Rebecca Black's Friday on replay with a stub toe and a paper cut. So this week I asked you guys on Facebook what topic I should do for this video, and Janelle just said school. Why couldn't school be like the TV? You know, going on epic adventures and those dramatic one-liners that touch the depth of your soul. I'm disappointed. I thought you were a better man than that. Well, maybe I'm not the man that you thought I was. As a matter of fact,
I'm not even a man.
And there's a whole bunch of issues out there that affect people and make them not want to go to school, like bullying. If you're being bullied and someone's making fun of you, well, make fun of yourself along with them. If you rip yourself to shred, what are they going to have left to say about you?
Now, Mouty, here, tell these people something they don't know about me.
And another serious issue is when you're in class and your stomach goes you know how embarrassing that is? So to deal with this, if you don't have time in the morning for breakfast, I understand that most of you ladies have to put on your makeup and pretty up yourself. Bring food to class. And 3.14 equal pie. Yes, that's right. I love apple pie. And if you get caught and kicked out of class, so what? At least your stomach never went. And sometimes we have to sit through those boring classes. Well, this is when you have to spice things up a little bit. Scary spice up your life. Oh, anyways, sorry. What I meant to say was this, like, you have to add a little flavor.
Yeah, boy!
Honestly, who edits these videos? Well, who thinks of the video ideas? Yo, shut your... Another thing is that oftentimes some people feel so insecure because there's like that hot guy or the hot girl that they like. When they're walking by, it's like ripped jeans, skin was showing. Where you think you're going, baby? Most people are thinking exactly what you're thinking. She's too hot for me. Oh, he's out of my league. But that's the thing right there. Since most people are thinking the same way you're thinking, that means there's less competition to get that person. Just keep being you. Don't bother try and change up yourself just because the pretty girl walked by. If they don't notice you for who you is, just move on, because there are many more bird in the sky. Wasn't gonna say fish in the sea because I've never been fishing. So yes people, that is it. If you follow what I said in this video, school won't be so disgusting. So with all this said, I have a question for you guys out there. What is your favorite thing about school? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below in the boom box. Hit me up on the Facebook and the Twitter, and see you beautiful people real soon. I'm Leroy Sedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Oh. And if you're still having a hard time with school even after this video, well, to help you out a little bit more, just try and solve this week's riddle for a chance to win a Fresh Till Death t-shirt.